If you're a homeowner and you're worried about leaving your pet with a stranger or trusting someone in your home, this video is for you. Because the reality is, you don't have to choose between expensive kennels or feeling anxious while you're away. There's actually a smarter way to do this, and most homeowners don't realise it. And honestly, we felt the same way before we started. Before you spend hundreds on a kennel or a pet sitter for your next trip, you need to know this. When it comes to house sitting and pet care, the prices vary massively. Some homeowners pay over £100 a night. Others have someone stay in their home and care for their pets and keep everything secure, completely free. We've been house and pet sitting now traveling the world for years, and in this video we're breaking down the 3 different house sitting models you need to know: when to pay, when you don't need to, and how to choose someone you can actually trust. Level 1 is the exchange model, and this is where you don't have to pay for a pet sitting service. Instead, you offer your home as accommodation, and in return, a sitter looks after your pets and your property. Now I know what you're thinking, why would someone do that, and can I trust them? The key is using platforms of verified profiles, reviews from other homeowners, and a proper application process. Done properly, this can be a genuine win-win. Your pets stay in their normal environment, your home is lived in and secure, and you're not paying nightly fees. Level 2 is a local pet sitter, and this is someone who lives in your area. This can feel more comfortable because you can meet the person beforehand. Your pets get familiar with them, and there's a clear sense of accountability. Just keep in mind, many charge per pet, and costs can add up quite quickly for longer trips. Level 3 is professional house sitting services. These sitters often come with insurance, background checks, and sometimes veterinary or special animal care experience. If your pet has medical needs or you want maximum reassurance, this can absolutely be worth it. But what you're really paying for is peace of mind. So what are the hidden costs? Something a lot of homeowners don't think about are the hidden costs when you have someone come and stay in your home. Things like utility bills, water, heat, and electricity, and writing clear instructions for routines and emergencies. These small things make a big difference to how smoothly everything runs. Okay, the final verdict. What is the best option for you? It really comes down to your comfort level. If your pet's are low maintenance and you want to save money, the exchange model is hard to beat. If you want more familiarity and control, local sitters work well. And if your priority is trust and reassurance, professional care is worth the investment. At the end of the day, the goal is the same: you being able to travel knowing that your pets are happy and that your home is secure. If you're exploring house sitting, we've added some trusted platforms below to help you get started. And we'd love to know what's your biggest concern about having a house sitter come and stay. Or if you've done it before, what worked for you? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you came this far, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and notifications button. This is just one in a number of series of house and pet sitting videos we put together. If you want to find out more, why not click one of the videos above. See you in the next video.